Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for clothes by categories on the SHEIN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Now tap on either the shop icon down below, which is the first one, and here you can see that you have like bigger categories such as kids, man, home, beauty, or like you can search by occasion. But if you click on the second icon down below, which is the category icon, you are going to see a vast variety of categories. Here at the top you are going to see that you have the basic categories, the main ones such as women, curve plus, kids or men. So click on the relevant one that you would like to search for. And as you can see, there are a vast variety of categories such as women blazers, suit pants, sweater, boots, dresses, blouses, and so on. So these are organized into categories. So if you click on it, you can still select from these subcategories at the top, such as plain, elegant, long, black, casual, khaki, plaid, vest, crop, multicolor, and so on. So if you tap on the relevant one that interests you, then you are going to see the results down below, and you are ready to browse and find the one that you prefer. So click on the relevant one, and then you are going to be able to see all of the details, reviews, and you can add it to your bag if you want to purchase it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.